Initial reports from Myanmar speak of more than a dozen people dead and 40 injured following an earthquake in the centre of the Asian country. Residents rushed from their homes and have been afraid to go back indoors for fear of further tremors. Local media say homes collapsed, as did a gold mine and a bridge under construction. The quake of magnitude 6.8 hit early today, more than 100 kilometres northwest of Mandalay, according to the US Geological Survey. It's said to be the biggest earthquake in the region for 20 years. 2 magnitude 5 aftershocks quickly followed. The initial tremor was felt as far away as the Thai capital Bangkok. Earthquakes are not unknown in Burma. Last year, dozens were killed by a strong quake near the borders with Laos and Thailand.